Alright guys, welcome back to another new video. So I'm doing this video to give a special shout out to one of my YouTube fans who sent me these t-shirts. She go by the name of Tamira. So as you can see, she made me two nice cool t-shirts. So this is one of them, Mr. Talented REID. Yeah, I feel so blessed getting these t-shirts. Get them as a surprise. So I'm gonna show them another one. You're so cool, Mr. Talented REID. Thank you so much, Tamira, for letting me have these t-shirts for my YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you so much. And God bless you. So thank you.
Welcome back guys to another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your cabin air filter in your 2017 Hyundai Elantra. You have right here 2017. So and this is my YouTube channel shirt, Mr. Talented REID. So I need you guys to give me 1,000 thumbs up for this shirt. Yeah, it's really nice. Let's see if I focus that somewhere. Yeah, that's Mr. Talented REID. Heading to the car. Okay, so now this is the cabin air filter. It's a new cabin air filter. And so, do so, going to open your glove compartment. I'm going to look at these tabs. Hold on. So one on the right and one on the left. Twist and pull. And I also have another one right here. Go. Focus the camera a bit. And then I'm gonna squeeze these two knobs. Remove the cover. So just squeeze these two knobs at the sides. And you locate the cabin air filter. So this one really dirty. Now this is a new one. So when you put in your cabin air filter, please remember to see that the arrow turn up. I'll put it in like so. There you go. And I'll put them back the cover. Okay, now and then I'm going to put in back these tabs. These little tabs lock the glove compartment. Fall down. So you put in and twist, and there you go. So that's how you change your cabin air filter in the 2001 2017 Hyundai Elantra. So find this video useful, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mr. Talented REID. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye.